Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I'm from thesupportzone.com and the purpose of thesupportzone.com is to offer bookkeeping services to small business owners. So with the help of today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Quicken Web for your Quicken software. Quicken Web is some kind of a platform or kind of a service offered by Quicken Incorporated that you can access your data from any of the devices such as mobile, tablets, or computer, and you can have it will give you the flexibility to put the data in anytime. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how it will gonna really work for you. So let me go ahead and open Quicken here, and let's go ahead and wait for this one for a quick second to get open. Here we go. So it is open now, and you can see, let me close this window first. At the top it says mobile and web. Go to mobile and web. Okay, here we have it. Go to dashboard, and it says sync is off. As soon as I will gonna turn it on, it will gonna synchronize the information with Quicken mobile and Quicken web. Okay, and I will show you how it will gonna really work on Quicken web at the moment. So I just turn it on, and you can see I'm gonna click on sync now just to ensure all the information will going to be get synchronized with Quicken web. And let me show you over here. It will gonna take a second or two to update my accounts or to update my information as well. And you can see it is updating my banking accounts and all that. All right, perfect. It did the update. Okay, and here I can see the blue icon. It means some of the information got downloaded, and here you can see all the accounts are got synchronized, and it says 3 accounts synced successfully. Okay, all right, let me click on sync now here, as it says 1 eligible account is not synced. So let's quickly go ahead and do the same for this one as well. All right, once it is done, I will show you how it will going to look like. Okay, at this moment I'm gonna just keep it like this way, and I'm gonna minimize Quicken and open a web browser window where I will gonna log into the Quicken for web. So I'm gonna simply go ahead and go for quicken.com, and once I'll be there on the website, at the very top it says sign in. Okay, and underneath there is an option. Give me 1 second. Right, just give me 1 second here. Perfect. Under here I am using classic version, so I'm just gonna click on classic, and then afterwards you can see this option here, Quicken Classic on the web. So now it is asking me to sign in, and in a quick second I'm going to enter the information for my Quicken account here. Okay, so this is my email. I'll just enter that in, and I will enter the password as well. Just give me 1 quick second here, and once it is in, so they just texted me the a passcode or a 6-digit code. So let me put that in for this purpose. Here we go, and here we have it now. So I just entered the code in, and you can see this is Quicken for web. Okay, you can see my information got synchronized from Quicken software to the Quicken for web. Let me close this one, and here if you see, we can do all the things from here as well, which we were doing on Quicken software. And if we are going to make any changes from here, that will automatically going to be you can say synchronized onto the Quicken software. So you can see here I have a PayPal account, I have a Wells Fargo checking account, and here I created the invoice account before as well. Okay, let me show you one thing here. As it says Wells Fargo checking, I'm just gonna create a new entry here. I'm gonna just enter Walmart. Okay, suppose I just did the shopping. Let's suppose I spent some money on clothing, and I will say I spent $100, and I will gonna click on save. So it is here. You can see at the bottom says transaction created, and in the same way I'll gonna go to PayPal, and I will gonna create a new transaction over here. Okay, let's assume this is my PayPal account, and I will gonna enter, let's suppose I provided I received money from one of my clients, let's suppose, and for this purpose I'm just entering test, and I will gonna say I received $100 from them, and here I received $100 from them. So here we have it, and I'll save it. Okay, perfect. Now I will just leave it as it is. Okay, you can also do the 1-step update from here as well. I will gonna click on update all at the top here, and all of my accounts will going to be get updated, and that's how it really works on Quicken. And here in the same way you can do all the report, create budget, bills and income, investments, and you can do all kind of things over here. So now as we are on Quicken for web at the moment, what I'm gonna do now, give me 1 second here. So here we have it now. Okay, I'm on the dashboard at the moment. I'm gonna just minimize it, and And once I minimize it, I'm going to go ahead and open Quicken, and I will show you will those transactions are going to be here into the Quicken software or not. Let me quickly go ahead and open Quicken software, and here it is. So now as Quicken, I need to close it for a second as it was open before. Okay, let me reopen it again. I'm sorry about that. So I'm gonna just reopening it again. Here we go. And if you go to Wells Fargo, okay, let me close this. We go to Wells Fargo, and as of now we are not seeing any transaction over here, but let me go ahead and give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and do the update here, and just give me 1 second. Transactions, I just did the updates, so the changes will going to be get implemented over there as well into the Quicken software. And let me go ahead and open it, and let me click on update over here as well. Sync to Quicken cloud. I will gonna do it synchronize. It will going to synchronize my data over to the Quicken for web app as well, and click on this one, or let's wait for this one at the moment. And here we go. PayPal got updated, and I'm gonna just, all right, perfect. Okay, so as one step update summary says Quicken cloud sync successful. I'm gonna click on close now, and I'm gonna click on close again just for this second. I'm gonna close Quicken. I'll do the back later, and here I am. So now let's assume I will gonna just enter one more time like the new transaction. I will simply go ahead and enter one more time. Let's say I will enter a test again, and I will do it for, like you can say, for $50. Let's assume I spent $50 via my PayPal account, and here it is. And as I just entered $50 over here as a spend, let's wait for this one. I'll do the update over here, and let's go back over there into the Quicken. I'm gonna minimize it, and I'm gonna open Quicken, and here let me go ahead and show you what exactly it is going to work. Here if you see over here, I'm gonna close this. I'll come here. You can see test information over here is this one, $100. This is the first one that I entered for, okay, from there. And in the same way in the Wells Fargo, let's go ahead and see I entered for the Walmart for $100 over there. So that's how it really works. Let's suppose you do anything from Quicken. Let's suppose you do anything from here. What you need to do, you open Quicken and do the cloud sync. As soon as you do the cloud sync, you will be able to see the information into your Quicken software, into the Quicken for web as well. So I entered $50 amount as a spent from my PayPal, and you can see over here it is over here. So that's how Quicken for web really works. It really works on mobile app as well. The same thing we're going to do, or same thing we can do over here on the Quicken for web app, I mean Quicken app. So that's how Quicken for web app really helps you. Let's say you are traveling somewhere outside of your country, so you can go take a photo of your invoice and you can add it to the Quicken, or you can add the transactions manually. And once you come to your home to start Quicken onto your computer, you just need to click on cloud sync, and with the help of cloud sync, all the information that you entered over to the Quicken web app, it will really going to sync every information over here, and that will really help you to track all of your money at the same place. So that's it for this video. This video can be confusing a little bit, but if you have any doubts, any questions, or anything related to Quicken, please contact me anytime, and I will be there for you. This is my website, okay? This is my contact number, and this is my email address. You can reach me on this email address. In case I am unable to answer your call on this phone number, please drop me a voicemail, and I will be there for you to help you out with this situation or with anything related to Quicken. Or I am a bookkeeper. If you're looking for some kind of a bookkeeping help, I would be happy to help you. Thank you. Have a good one. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.